Okay guys, now this is a smartwatch NoiseFit Endure. Now let's check its features. On top we have phone finder, settings and brightness indicator. And there are still 9 sport modes guys, and there are walking, running, skipping, badminton, football, etc. so many things. There is still a distance and calorie measurement, heart rate measurement, oxygen checker, weather updates and camera control and music control. We can also check our messages and phone calls also guys. And for charging, it was given a charging dock guys, so we can place on it and can charge it, and it can get up to 20 days battery life and 30 days standby life guys. And that's it, this is the watch guys. It was so thin, and it's a vibrant display and full touch, and 3.2 centimeters round dial guys. There's a backside heart rate sensors, everything, and there's a removable bands and silicone bands, and these are a buckle with a NoiseFit on it and so many holes guys. Okay, now let's check how to connect to the phone. Okay guys, now let's connect to the phone by using Daffy tab. First install it and open it guys, and I will show you how to make watch faces and select new ones guys. So go to watch faces, and these are more than 100 watch faces guys. You can download anything and we can upload to the watch face. Okay, now let's select one, and okay, here it is. Okay, now click download guys, and it's going to upload slowly guys, and here after the completion you can directly see that our watch face is on the watch. Okay, now watch is going to reboot, and that's it guys. This is how we can upload watch faces to the watch. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to edit a watch face on your own guys. So click edit on it, and see guys, we can select any pictures in this in our gallery. Okay, now we can also select our time position, and what is below time we can select anything like steps or heartbeat rate, anything. And we can also change the text color also guys. And this is how we edit the watch face. Okay guys, these are the features: step, sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen, and outdoor running guys. And these are my profile, and we can change them, and goals we can change them also. And this is a camera shutter guys, we can pick by using watch. And that's it guys, this is the watch. Thank you for watching.